Hey guys, so to get this beautiful look, I use my Eco Styler gel as my only product, and I use the Rastafri braiding hair as my hair of choice today. So just to show you quickly, I take this section and split it into two. This is not two sections, this is still one section of hair, but I'm going to split it into two. So I take that Eco Styler gel and I rub it into the root of my hair and split it into two. And what I'm going to do is take that section of hair, of Rastafari hair, and I'm going to place it directly in the middle after I slather my gel on it, just to keep it in place on my roots. So I take my Rastafari hair and I place it in the center of that section. So again, I take the Rastafari hair and I place it in the center of that section. So for the first side, I'm going to twist it inward. And it's just as simple as this, just twisting it inward. And I'm going to keep my middle finger at the top of my hair so that it won't move. I want it to stay in place. And on the other side, I am going to twist it outwardly. So on the first side, I twisted it inward. This side, I'm twisting it outward. And this is how you get the invisible roots look. And then you just start to twist it like a normal two-strand twist. And it is just that simple, guys. Put the hair, the Kanekalon hair, right directly in the center of that section. Take one section and twist it inward. Take the other side and twist it outward. And then begin to twist it like a regular two-strand twist. Now what I'm doing here is twisting the hair around as I two-strand twist so that my hair could blend in with the fake hair. And I'm adding gel as I go down so that my ends could really lay down in this hair. And this is the finished product. I get it, Nani. Okay, so now I'm going to take this hair and cut off the straggly ends. I'm going for a really blunt cut. After that, I just burn the ends to keep it sealed. They did unravel after the cut, so I just twisted it back up and burned the ends after that. Now I'm going to take some charms and place it on my hair. After adding the charms there, I'm just going to trim off any straggly pieces, frizz, so it can look neat. And this is the finished product. And this was my birthday hair, and for my birthday I just felt too cute. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and comment down below if you guys like it, what you would like to see next, and go ahead and subscribe if you are new to this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.